Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying the beep pattern. This tells you what subsystem failed. Once done, power down, unplug the system, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Remove the case panel and expose the motherboard. Make sure you have a spare RAM stick and a fresh CMOS battery on hand. Don't waste time guessing. Start with RAM and simple components. You'll act quickly, but methodically. Observe, prepare, and then move to targeted reseating and testing steps. You now isolate the fault. First, remove all RAM modules and clean their contacts. Reinstall a single known good stick in the primary slot and power on to check beeps. If that doesn't work, remove the discrete graphics card and any non-essential drives, then try onboard video. Once you've narrowed possibilities, reset the BIOS with the clear jumper or by removing the CMOS battery for about 2 minutes. This clears misconfigurations that can produce continuous beeps, so make sure to test after each change. You finish by verifying the fix. Systematically test each RAM stick in every slot to isolate a bad module. Once identified, replace the defective stick, then boot and confirm silence. If beeps persist even with known good memory, update the BIOS and test the PSU and internal speaker wiring. Make sure the speaker is connected to the motherboard. If nothing stops the beeping, document the exact pattern and move to motherboard repair or replacement. One key tip: if unclear, swap parts with a known good system before buying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.